Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beke Lolua. If you're new here, welcome. I feel about that sounds like my mentor's introduction. Anyways guys, so yeah, if you're new here, welcome. So I post hair content, fashion content, and lifestyle content here and there. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? And today I'm just here to show you my wash day routine, not so that you can copy it, but so that I can help you to build yours. Because if you're going to grow long, healthy hair in 2026, then this is one thing you should know. These are the basics that you should know. So 2 weeks ago, I washed my hair, and I did wash and go immediately. And after that, I've just put my hair in flat twists and few other styles that had my ends tucked in, right? So but today I'm just like, I feel like my hair is soaked with gel, so I want to wash that off. And the first thing you need to know is to detangle your hair before you go into the bathroom to wash your hair. Yes, because this process really makes the whole journey easy. It's a journey. It makes the wash day easy, really. I can't explain it better than that, because this helps you to, take out all the knots, helps you to finger detangle and make sure that your hair is properly detangled. Because for example, I did wash and go, and so my hair has been in like coils and all that, and it's very easy to lose so much hair if you don't detangle before going to wash it. So, and I use just water and leave-in conditioner, because I feel like water is a very good detangler, moisturizer, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you can use leave-in as well. You can use your flaxseed gel, you can use okra extract. I think those are some of the things that people use, but I use water and leave-in conditioner. So you can see that this side is looking very tasty. But yeah, I have detangled this side of my hair. So I'm just going to be showing you the whole process today. And if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. So the first thing I did this day was to spray water all over the section before dividing into smaller sections. And what I realized was that my hair was already soft enough to detangle just by using water. So like I said earlier, water is just enough if you don't have leave-in or the other products I mentioned. And so yeah, I went in with my leave-in just to, make it easier as well. And then I properly detangled with my finger. So if you're using all this product, or even if you're just using water, make sure that it reaches every part. So use your hand, go into the hair properly, and then you can go ahead to use your comb as well to comb it out. And then after that, I just twist it, and that's that. And we're ready to go into wash. So guys, this is basically all you need for your wash day. I'm using this shampoo, and then this is moisturizing conditioner to rinse off, and then the leave-in conditioner, and then this oil. So basically, you just need a shampoo, a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner to moisturize after, and then oil to seal it all in. I forgot to mention earlier that this is actually my first video this year, like first long video, and I cannot believe it. I'm posting my first video in February. Guys, pardon me, and this is where I need your help. I need you to suggest videos you like to see on this page. Hairstyle videos. What style would you like me to try? What style would you like me to show you how to make, something like that? Or lifestyle vlogs. What do you want to see? Just let me know so that this page can be active. Please help a sister. Oh well, it was time to wash. I went in the first time, and one thing you need to know is that people show us that once they start washing, you start seeing foam. Me, I've realized that the first time I use the shampoo, it doesn't foam easily, because your hair is very dirty. But this time around, because I said it was just gel, so I feel like when I rinsed it the first time with water, the gel had already rinsed off. So when I went in with the shampoo the first time, it was able to foam well, right? So I don't even stop at the first time. After the first time, I rinse it off, and then I go in and wash it again the second time. This time you would really see if your hair is neat or not. So yeah, I wash twice, and then I go in to condition my hair. I deep condition my hair, and I leave it in for like 10-15 minutes, and then I cover it. So yeah, cover it for 10-15 minutes. This day, I think it took me about 1 hour 30 minutes, because I was also filming. You can have a very easy wash day if you do what is right. After washing, it was time to moisturize, and this is actually my favorite part. So because my hair was still very damp, I just used a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and then I sealed it with the oil. and make sure to not forget the ends of your hair because they are also important. Okay, we don't want dry ends here. And after that, I go in with the oil to just massage my hair and especially my edges which we're working on this year. So if you enjoyed watching, let me know if you found this helpful. Let me also know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.